And it wasn't because they were trading, it was the fact that they were taking
Yo, what is up, everybody? OTC back at it again, Oasis Trading Club, straight up from Dallas, right here with the squad. So we're about to go and let me take this off. We're about to go and have a good podcast right now. I'm about to let y'all, let me just admit this person into the Webby here. All right. So we're about to go over a couple things. One of the things we're going to go over is going to be obviously Bitcoin bleeding, you know, Bitcoin's crashing. What is everybody thinking, you know? So one of the things that Robert just said is does anybody even really know what caused the crash? So I want to go and read this that I wrote down over here. Where is it? Well, I mean, I remember what it said. So the last dip on Wednesday that freaking brought Bitcoin all the way down. He said I can't hear anything. Oh shit.
No, you are. I could hear you.
Can you hear me now? Can it sound the same? It's good.
Yeah, I could hear you, bro.
What about can you hear me now?
It's okay, guys. We're holding with y'all. We're holding. I ain't selling.
So our portfolios right now are down about 80%. You know, 88%. That's heavy. That's real heavy. I hope homie can hear me. Let's see what he says right now. But yeah, so the Bitcoin that was dropped and sold on Wednesday that made the huge correction back down to around 30 was Bitboy Crypto said it was a manipulated move by the whales. I'm gonna post a video later on. I posted one of Robert, one of the founders of Oasis, and he shows you what he's seen on Bitcoin. And I'm also making a video right now. I'm editing. I'm gonna post it later, showing what we went over a couple weeks ago and what is going on now. What is it? No, I am going to try YouTube and see if that works.
Does that mean that everybody else can? Yeah, I'm seeing YouTube.
Says you're
Having technical difficulties.
Yeah, sometimes on Zoom it ends up on silent. I've done that before, and you just gotta go over here and bring your sound into your computer. So it'd be doing that. That's probably it. Hopefully that's it, and he can hear us in a bit. But like I was saying, so my point of that was that we saw that drop weeks ago. Robert, RJ and I, Luis, we were talking about that weeks ago, how it was diverging and getting ready to kind of maybe come back to the downside. And so before Elon Musk opened his mouth, before any of that happened, the technicals were already saying that we were about to go in for a correction, massive correction in the weekly. So I mean, Bitboy Crypto is saying it was a manipulated event or whatever. But at the same time, I mean, I don't know, the technicals were there the whole time. Point is though, on Wednesday, you cannot deny the fact that on Wednesday, all of these Bitcoins that were sold, they were less than a week to a month old, no more than a month old. So that means that they bought them less than a month ago and they sold them all off the same time, all of these wallets, boom. And then when it dipped all the way to 30,000, guess what wallets picked it right back up? The same fucking wallets. So they just, that's why he says it's manipulated, because you know they dumped it, and then as soon as it went all the way down, they bought it right back in with obviously more money than they had on that dip, right? So Big wheel manipulation. I don't know. What do y'all think? Y'all think it's real?
No back, but it was like
No.
massive.
Mammoths.
Megalodon.
Megalodon.
Yeah, I mean, it really just comes down, guys, to understanding who really are the participants when it comes to.
Because I know Tesla's, they claim that they didn't sell off.
They claim they
Yeah.
didn't,
They
other
claim
than
they
the little bit
I
that
mean,
they
in
took
the
profit on.
transparent side,
But
it
there
says
is
they
more wells
haven't.
out there, there is more wells out there. And that's the thing, like the people who hold the most crypto, the most of something, they can always manipulate the price.
There was
And
also the
that's exactly
attack,
what they did.
China with the
Yeah.
mining.
Yeah.
You know what I'm
So
saying?
there's a lot of stuff, yeah, also,
That
like,
could play the role, you know.
definitely, and you said it was the China mining.
Yeah, they're making mining for like, I think it's like the third time illegal again.
Yeah.
But they tried to do this back in 09, they tried to do it back in like 2013, and they're trying to do it again. You know, so you know, now they're trying to do it again. But as we know, like you trying to take on Bitcoin, it's not gonna work. It just can't. You know, it's just like you can it's his own AI.
Yeah, you can like
You can try to
block-
stop it. You can hold it.
Like I think it was Bitboy Crypto as well, or another YouTuber. He said you can't block Bitcoin. You're just blocking yourself out of the blockchain. You know, you're not blocking it. You're blocking yourself, and that's really the best way that I think anyone could put it like that. But
Do you see any levels when it could stop, Robert? Bitcoin right now.
Yeah, what's your prediction, man?
you want to join in and
Let's go over the market cap. Show them the market cap right now. Let's see what the market cap is at right now.
Pressing. It's the press.
All right.
600 billion, 700 billion, something like that?
Nah,
I said over
boy.
a trillion.
And I think it's still over a trillion.
uh-oh. All right. So what do you see, bro? The blue one, or do you see the YouTube? Luis. What do you see? What screen are you seeing? Do you see YouTube or do you see the monitor?
You're on mute.
My bad, guys. Yeah, I see the YouTube one, bro.
Oh, okay, bet. All right, so let's go to market cap. Man, I don't even want to see it. Down there.
Hey, every good
final
run, just remember
6%.
every good run deserves a good breather
Woo.
before it gets to another pickup. Refinable.
Fill up them bags.
Where, right? Fill up them bags at discount. All right, so my face is like all of them. All right, so we are here with what? Whoa.
There you go. So what's the market cap right now? It's at 1.4 trillion.
1.4 trillion, guys. It was at like 2.4.
2.5.
Woo, we lost over a trillion. Bleeding. So Robert is gonna share right now. He's gonna give us a little bit of
Have we had any top gainers so far? What? Go to the click on the 7-day percentage.
7 days.
Right there, yeah. Click on it. Right there. Gainers have been stable for Helium.
Helium.
Helium was a return. True USD.
Stable coins.
Binance USD. That's it. That's just the top.
Yeah.
Hey,
That's
there's Matic. Matic's right there.
What about the top losers?
Bleeding.
Top losers here. Go click on it one more time.
Which one?
The 7 day. Right there. Wow. Terra Luna. Oh man, baby.
Polkadot.
Yeah, that's wild, bro. Everything's just straight.
47% on Unis.
Swap. Hey, Uniswap.
$17. That's a cop. Damn, that's $1 trillion that were just snatched
Wiped out.
away in the crypto market, guys. $1 trillion.
And that's what we
Hey.
always say, man. When y'all invest, always be cautious with how much you go in. You know, these markets are volatile. Anything can happen. You also
Hey.
don't want to blow in your savings account.
Do y'all think this is like all these swaps? Do y'all think they might be affected because some of these swaps they were being used to pump up these meme coins? Now that a lot of people see that they could lose their money, do you think a lot of people are gonna be interested in going back in?
Actually, we were, let me put you right back on over here. All right, so actually, we were just looking at the little South Park monitos, and right there it shows you all of the transactions that are being made, and it is not slowing down whatsoever from.
Oh no, but that's for the whole. But that's for the whole like blockchain. That's the whole thing, right?
No, it shows for Uniswap, it shows for 1 inch, all of the different ones. And Uniswap was just like boom, boom, little people coming out like crazy.
At a Uniswap. And right now, they're saying right now that the Bitcoin miners are actually not setting up a profit. So
what is that website, bro?
TX Street.
TX Street?
Show the people.
TX Street? Okay. So check this out, man. You can see the transactions live through like little South Park people. And as you saw it, man, I showed you on the video. It's live. Like we send it, and the little person came out with a little OTC label. What? Ethereum. These are all the Ethereum people waiting on. These are their transactions. This is where they're coming from.
Can you actually see? Oh, okay, I see it.
This is Bitcoin.
Everybody's trying to get on the next bus.
Everybody, waiting forever. Look at it. And right here, you're gonna see them de volada se van a subir. Well, not de volada, they're way fast. Look, it's gone.
Cool, bro.
And these people are still waiting.
And that's what you saw earlier, the little OTC transaction being made. You know what I'm saying? You saw it live action.
Oh,
You know what I'm saying?
so you may be missing recent blocks. So let me see. I guess I'm gonna chat.
So those are pretty much all the transactions going on. They just made it into like.
Yeah, a little animated shit.
Yeah, he got it. And it's all on the blockchain. That's why Bitboy crypto had that information that it was the same wallet that bought a month ago or less. Or a couple of wallets. All right, you ready, Robert? You ready to
Yeah, let's go ahead.
all right, I'm gonna stop sharing, and Robert is about to show you what is popping, but let me switch this up real quick.
You gonna mute?
Yes, sir. And
All right, guys. Yeah. So before I get to that, Christian asked if you look at the big wallets, they are buying. I think they are financial institutions purchasing the big cryptos. But yeah, it does look like when you actually said that, no, it shouldn't be muted. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, we could. I can hear you, bro. Yeah, I can hear.
that boy Robert always be muted.
Shit. Testing. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it can hear me. So yeah, I do see the buy momentum starting to come back in for Bitcoin. At one point it's gonna have to come back and retrace. But if we look at this, let me go ahead and just simplify it for you guys.
Are you sharing your screen?
Should be sharing it.
Share screen. There you go.
All right. Okay, guys. So as far as Bitcoin, I do see like we might end up revisiting 50K. As you can see, we've had, you know, a bunch of like wicks coming to the downside, indicating that support holding. So I'm really just expecting for more of that buying volume to come in, possibly, you know, applying pressure on this 40K. And then, you know, once it starts to do that, I'm gonna go ahead and just wait on a retracement, confirm it. And I do see it hitting 50K, coming back to 50K this week. And then from there, you know, we'll see what happens. But yeah, guys, I do see a lot of buying momentum coming in here for Bitcoin. If we go back to the daily chart, you know, looking at the 50K, it was an area of, there was a lot of like sensitivity. It was resistance, support, resistance, support. So once we revisit the 50K, it's pretty much, that's going to be the do or die for Bitcoin right there. If you know, if it's not able to hold above 50K, then for sure we're coming down to even 20. But if it is able to manage above 50K, then you know we could end up going for the all-time highs again. But yeah, it just really depends on what happens once we get to that level right there. But yeah, make sure you guys are on the group chat as far as the Telegram chat. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on this one. Like trading is pretty much just keeping it simple, guys. You know, once you know what you're doing, it's really just a waiting game, just for odds to come into your favor. Now, real quick, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into Ethereum, because Ethereum does look like it's another potential buy. As you can see, it found its support right here at 2000. And if you go to a higher time frame, you can see this area was an area of sensitivity, because in the past, you know, it struggled to break above it, and then once it actually broke above it, it you know, stayed there for a while trying to find its value, and you know, once again, we're back over here. But with Bitcoin being bullish, you know, I do see that happening with Ethereum. Again, just waiting for that buying volume to come in. This is just a waiting game. We're probably not even going to get into this trade for as far as like the whole day of Monday. Maybe just wait until Tuesday, because you know we really just need to see those buyers start to come in heavier, because right now they're not coming as heavy as when sellers started coming in, if that makes sense. But yeah, guys, I'll keep you guys updated on that one as well. Do you guys want to go over something else, or you guys want to go over some more forex charts?
Well, it's
You guys want to? What do you guys want to talk about?
Hey, we got
I'm gonna
project
unmute
OTC coming through.
OTC coming through.
little just
Yeah,
little preview. All right, so little preview, guys. We're working on something behind the scenes. OTC investments. That is one of the only things I'm gonna say. But you know, just stay tuned. Follow the Telegram so you can know what is popping, because OTC investment token keyword
Okay.
is coming soon, sooner than you think. It's already here. So it's about to get crazy, guys. And yeah, just a small little bit OTC investments. The people are gonna decide where this investment goes and what we do. And another thing, that's all I'm gonna say on that one. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned on that
Stay
one.
tuned. So another thing, giveaways, guys. We have
Giveaways.
the giveaway we said that we're gonna do once we reach the 100 members,
Yeah.
and we just flew through it. We were already like at 70, and we just flew through the last 30. We hit 100 members in less than a month. Less than a month, guys. So that's super lit. So just like we promised, $100 in Doge giveaway.
So
And,
tomorrow we'll be doing it.
Tomorrow
participate
we're gonna announce it.
From 10 to 12. Y'all got to put your addresses on the Telegram with y'all's name, and we'll be picking out a winner at 8 p.m. tomorrow, right? 8 p.m.
Boom.
And
After the winner is picked out, Mario is gonna announce another one of OTC's chair members here is gonna announce the next giveaway that I promised you guys, $100 and any crypto of your choice. And that's gonna be right after, it's gonna be announced what you gotta do for that right after we give away the Doge, $100. So I mean, well, it's simple, guys. For that next $100, you're just gonna have to like our Instagram, share the Instagram, and tag 3 people who need to know what's up with crypto. All right, right now we are bleeding, guys, but trust me, go back to 2014, whenever it went parabolic, and then it tanked about 80%, and then it went to a new higher high. 130,000 to 330,000 is coming, guys. I'll put a pinky toe on it that in the next year, easily we're gonna surpass that 100K mark. And imagine what's gonna happen to VeChain, Cardano, and all of our other major holders, XRP, baby.
Man.
So it's time to really
XRP
fill up your
still out there
pockets.
trying to be the case.
So yeah, I don't know anything else.
Yeah, y'all stay posted up. We're gonna be doing more giveaways. So man, keep adding on that people. You know, we're growing as a team. We're all gonna be moving as one. So you remember OTC's a family.
Yes,
And
sir.
and we got a lot of moves to make. It's barely quarter 2, and we still got a lot of more ground to cover. So we're gonna grow together. Y'all gonna be part of it. So y'all stay tuned, man. For real. More interaction.
Yeah, make sure you guys are on the Signal chat, because that's only gonna be free for some time. You know, we're planning on
Yeah.
starting that up in the next month. And also, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and be posting my analysis on a few forex pairs as well as gold. I will be posting those before, I'd say, London session tonight. So just make sure you guys are aware of that as well.
Yes, sir. We do have a Forex signal and a crypto signal Telegram where we tell you when to buy, when to sell, all of that good stuff. And again, my boy right here actually called Bitcoin. What price was it at, bro?
It was about 48.
48, and you said it was gonna go to 40 and below.
It was at 50 and 40. We're targeting 40.
So that is massive. How many pips is that? 8,000?
No, it was 1,000. 1,000 pips.
On KOT though.
Okay.
So that'd be 10,000
No, it's 1,000.
on KOT
Yeah.
under our own or well, either way, guys, from 48 to 40,000, if you're leverage trading it, that is massive. Y'all do the math under your own broker because our KOT broker works differently. I'm not gonna get into that. But point is, guys, that exactly how he said it. Right now, we are showing y'all what we got. We are going hard AF. Let me just show you this real quick. All right, let me just show you this. Let me know if you can see me. Material, can you see me?
Yo, you're good.
All right, so look, this is the setup, guys. We put in work every single day. Every single day we put in work so that we can bring the best signals and the best calls so that our community can make money. All right. And starting on July 1st, right now you can see the track record. You can go and see what's popping. And if you like it, cool. If not, it's cool. But if you want the signal services as far as the Telegram service for the crypto signals and the Forex signals, which it comes as one. If you don't want either one or the other, it comes as one. Don't watch the other one. It's a one package together for $20 right now. Once we reach that 250 member mark, you're going to see everything grow. You're going to see the track record. And as the track record grows, obviously the value is going to change. So right now, just please take advantage of what we are, giving out our time, our time, really, our knowledge, because not just our energy, not just anybody can tell you that Bitcoin is going to drop exactly when it's going to drop at 48,000 and go down 40,000. A lot of people decided to actually move it into stable coins, and they avoided having that negative 60-80% on some of these accounts.
We're gonna be showing y'all soon how to transfer y'all's coins
into stable coins so that you don't have to be in the volatility. But that's another talk for later. Join the Telegram,
Shiba,
With that
Shiba.
being said,
Hey, what's going on with Shiba, Shiba?
Hey, bro, she's down.
everything's down. Everything's down.
What's the
Hey,
meme coins
yo.
looking like? You wanna go? You wanna put up the coin market on the meme coins?
Alright,
And remember, do not, man. The meme coins is a gamble. This is what I tell everybody.
YOLO
These are
coin.
YOLO coins, so you invest at your own risk and whatever you want to put in on that, because you're not responsible. It's a hit or miss, man. You know, but we can't all be Dogecoins, so we can't all be savings. You know,
Yeah.
diversify.
And one more. Yeah, where was it?
Well, of course, the father of all meme coins, we got the Doge.
All right, let's watch.
So
let's
Elon
see
Musk said he's
what
not selling off his Doge, so that's promising.
Damn, what is this? 30 cents?
30 cents, yeah. Well, yeah, 30 cents. 30 cents, yeah.
Okay, so it's at 30 cents. Dogecoin. What's the 24-hour volume on?
Let's see real quick.
It's on like what, 24%?
Down?
That's crazy, bro. Everything,
Or yesterday, it's already.
yeah. He's gaining, man. He's getting his company.
300% type shit.
Gold finance.
DeFi, man. What's that?
I'm gonna put in Shiba.
Shiba, Shiba.
Shiba Inu.
This one was pretty dope because it got put on exchange pretty quick though.
Hey, I'm still up 400 on my shit.
Yeah. I mean, the people that got in, what price did you call it?
I just got
Damn.
in.
He said, I just got in. Yeah, one of my boys, he got in at the very bottom. So,
I'm still up like 2.5x.
you know what I'm saying?
That thing was just out of there, guys.
How much?
Out of there. It went from 0.00001, so that's 5 zeros, and then it went all the way up to 0.000. That's 4 zeros and a 3. Y'all want to do the math, guys? I know y'all love doing this fucking math.
That's like about 28.
I mean,
Let's pull up.
if y'all have a little YOLO to spare, you know, if y'all believe in the crypto world, well, this is one for y'all, you know.
Yeah.
Little Shiba.
Hey, you don't gotta worry about them Ethereum gas fees when you buy on KuCoin.
KuCoin, yeah, exactly.
You can buy with USDT.
And man, I'm having trouble with my calculator. Oh, we got another chat. Let me see. I have noticed YOLO coin shoot up during crashes. Not this time. They're freaking, it's out of there, bro.
Right now,
Out
yeah.
of there.
Yeah, this
I'm gonna have to do it on my phone because this shit
So do you
tripping.
say we're in a short-term bear market right now?
We're consolidating right now.
Consolidating.
So if you would have invested, let's say 500 in this coin, whenever it was, when is this? When everybody was investing, April 24th. So in April, you would have got in at that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros and a 1. So divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, 0.1. That's 500 million coins, tokens, shares, whatever you want to call it. You times that times 4 zeros and a 3. That ends up being $15,000. So if you would have invested 500, that would have been 15,000. If you would have invested 1,000, that would have been 30,000. Simple math, 30x your money.
Don't get greedy with the old coins.
Ridiculous. Just cash out. Just cash out, people.
Hey, it's like a
What are
lottery.
y'all
Like,
doing?
you know, if you're addicted to a lottery, man, cash in.
Bro, some of these people, bro, it went down from 5 zeros and it went up to 4 zeros and 3. That's massive. And these people are like, I'm hodling till $1. Like, bro, just cash out. What do you mean $1? Like, come
Yeah,
on.
take profits as you go, yo.
$1 would like take everything from the crypto plus. Like, come on, from the whole crypto market. Like, it's impossible.
Remember, guys, taking profit is There's no bad in taking profits, man.
No, sir. 30x, bruh.
Yep, no one has ever lost in taking profit.
Nobody has ever lost taking profit. Bruh.
10%.
Shiba Inu. How much has it lost?
No, I'm saying how much does the stock give you like annually? Like what, 10%?
Oh,
3%. Something like that.
well,
3%, right?
if-
30%.
if you hold a stock, you're trying to get at least 100% return. 30% to 40% is good. From what I heard off of what's my boy I be watching?
Me, Kevin.
Hey, meet Kevin. Shout out meet Kevin. So according to meet Kevin, that's kind of like what I see in his little portfolio, and he'd be excited as fuck if he's up like 50%. And
He's investing in that little cryptos, right?
yeah, he started investing late whenever Bitcoin hit around 40K. And as soon as he invested, he freaking started making money. But yeah, either way, so I think he's holding some Doge just as a YOLO too. But cryptos, I mean, fuck, man, some of these have lost 300% on this drop. It's insane. Insane. That's what it'll take a whole year on some of these stocks, if I'm correct. Correct me if I'm wrong, whoever's into stocks and shit.
Yeah, man.
We just got some vibe together.
We got some vibe together.
Huddle game.
Okay. Don't worry, guys. I ain't said nothing. I'm here. I'm here with y'all right now.
We're bleeding together.
Hey, if I sell, I lose,
Yeah, for real.
Don't worry.
Sellers lose.
I was hedging someone.
I was not hedging.
In
But
my mind. I was hedging the downside.
I should have been.
I was aiming for negative 20% of my portfolio.
I was a little too bullish to take profits. But it's all good, guys. I'm looking at the longer picture, and so should you. So I don't know.
See you guys. Stay
So,
tuned.
guys, let's get it.
Remember, join our Telegram. We will be posting Telegram right there in the.
I'm just gonna post the link underneath the description of this video. So yeah, like the video, comment what y'all want to talk about as far as crypto investments, what y'all thinking. And with that being said, OTC.
Till next week, man.
Till next week.